Alright, in this lesson what we're doing is learning to create Venn diagrams, and I've written accurately here because sometimes it looks like it's a really easy thing to just go, oh, well, we've got our 3 circles and we've got all of our categories here. It'll be nice and easy to go about doing this. So what we've got here today is favourite tuck shop food, and we've got choices of garlic bread, cookies or sushi, and what we've done is survey students around the school to figure out what is their favourite food that is sold. So what we found 4 people couldn't decide between all 3. There are 8 people who liked cookies plus sushi, so couldn't decide between the 2. And so we've got the whole combinations here, so cookies and garlic bread and sushi. What I want you to understand is these people in this category here that like all 3, firstly we know that that's nice and easy. They fit in here. We've got to understand that these people are actually included in these totals here, okay? They are part of that. And the same goes for here. We've got cookies, or the total people who liked cookies, the total people who like garlic bread, and the total people who like sushi. These people who like 3 or 2, they're actually included in these numbers, okay? Included in. I know it's a bit hard to read right now. So it's not as simple as just going, all right, I'm going to throw this number in here and this number in here, because this is saying that 18 people in the entire sushi circle will like the sushi there. Okay, so already we've got 4 here. So we can't just put 18 here, because that would mean that we suddenly had too many. We'd have 22 people liking sushi. So you have to go very slowly. Okay, what I like to do is start from the inside and work my way out. I'm going to use black pen so we can all see. Okay, so let's have a look. Cookies and sushi. So here's our cookies circle and here's our sushi circle. So that means this intersection here, okay, this intersection here is cookies and sushi. We know that 8 people like cookies and sushi, but you've got to include this 4. So the people who like cookies plus sushi is 8, but we have to consider taking away this 4 because it's already there. So what will be left is 4 here. And we know if we said 8 people like cookies and sushi, you would actually get 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so let's keep going like that. I'm just going to focus this a bit more. Does that work? Kind of. Okay, this time we've got cookies and garlic bread. So that intersection is here. Cookies, oh no, sorry, cookies and garlic bread. Cookies and garlic bread, that one up there. We know we've got 10 people who couldn't decide between cookies and garlic bread, and so therefore we have to have 10 in this total intersection. So this part here is going to be cookies plus garlic bread will be, it doesn't like me today. Sorry guys. Okay, it's going to be the 10 take the 4 we've already got in there. So 10 take 4 will give us 6, so we know we need to put 6 in there. Let's keep going like this. We've got garlic bread and sushi is 9, so here's our garlic bread and sushi. Garlic bread plus sushi will equal 9. Take our 4 in the middle already, which gives us 5. All right, so we're nearly there. We've only got 3 left to go. This time we need to consider total. So our cookie circle, so this whole circle, has already got some people in it, but we know 24 people in total fit into this category. So we need to consider this, this, and this before we put a number in this circle here. So the cookies circle will be 24, cookies will equal 24, take away whatever we've got. So we've got a 6 plus a 4 plus a 4 already. So that will be 24, take 14, which is 10. So we're going to have 10 people who only like cookies, but if we added up every single person in this circle, we would get the 24. All right, sushi, let's go jump down to this one here. Sushi's total is 18, but we know that we've already got a few in there. So we've got a 5, a 4, and a 4. 5, 4, and 4. So this should be pluses. 18, take away, 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 is 13. So we're going to have 5 people in this section, so that our total sushi lovers will equal 18. Our final one here is garlic bread, and we've got 32. So garlic bread will equal 32. Take away whatever we've already got inside this circle. So we are taking away a 6, a 4, and a 5. Take 6 plus 4 plus 5, which is 32. Take 15, which is 17. So we're going to have 17 sitting in there. So I've said it has to be created accurately, and it's because we actually have to do some maths. If we're just putting numbers that we see here straight into the circles, it's not going to be accurate.